script, what is my Equifax score meaning? Curious about what your Equifax credit score really means? Let's break it down fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll explain what your Equifax credit score means and why it matters for your financial health. Your Equifax credit score is a number between 300 and 850 that reflects your credit worthiness. The higher the score, the better your credit profile looks to lenders and creditors. Scores above 700 are generally considered good, while anything below 600 may signal risk. This score is used when you apply for loans, credit cards, or mortgages. Factors influencing your score include payment history, credit utilization, length of credit, and recent inquiries. Knowing your score helps you understand how lenders view you and what you can improve. Quick tip, regularly check your credit score and report to spot errors or identity theft early. Drop a comment if you found this useful. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy financial guides. Thanks for watching.